Hello everybody, Darren Wright, the Wright Inspector here. Today we're doing an older single-wide manufactured home, probably the mid-60s, late 60s maybe, judging by the aluminum wire it still has. That doesn't surprise me much, but this is what really scares me. We have an outside closet with a gas furnace improperly installed. This is actually the filter and the air intake right here that's pulling outside air. So you're sucking in cold outside air to heat it. But what's worse than that is the water heater vent is not connected. So this room is filling up with carbon monoxide, which is then getting sucked in through the filter and coming out into the bedrooms. And this was verified with the carbon monoxide detector. Very dangerous. Whoever did all this obviously had no clue what they were doing. And mistakes like this can kill people. This is why you need to get a home inspection. Even if it's just a manufactured home or a park model, for $300 to $400, it could save your life. Call the Wright Inspector.